guys, and welcome to the Superbook Quiz. I hope you all are doing well and keeping your Bible knowledge sharp with the Superbook Quiz. Do you enjoy online classes or going to school better?
Going to school.
If I had asked you before the lockdown, do you like going to school? Today the quiz is a hot competition between the teams from Full Gospel Fellowship Church and the Our Baptist Church Shillong. Today our quiz is based on the Superbook episode of Rahab and the Wall of Jericho. So we have 3 rounds and each round has 4 questions each. Okay, so the first question of round 1. The Israelite spies entered Jericho by climbing the wall. True or false? Team Pepper?
False.
Correct. Now the second question. Joy was making her science project in school. True or false? Team Pepper?
True.
That is correct. The third question. In the end of the video, Chris became friends with Becky. True or false? Team Quantum?
False.
That is correct. And the last question from this round. The Israelites moved their camp to the west side of the Jordan River. True or false? Team Pepper?
True.
That is correct. And the final scores for this round are... Now we are on our second round. And this is a question answer round. Round 2, the first question. What did God tell Joshua to do to defeat Jericho? Team Quantum?
Open your sandals where the place you stand may holy.
No, that is not the correct answer. Team Pepper, do you know the answer to this?
To march once a day for 6 days, and on the 7th day to march 7 times, and to blow their horns and shout.
Yes, that is correct. That is what God told Joshua to do to defeat Jericho. Now our second question. You have to complete the statement, okay? You have to complete the statement that I said. For the Lord your God is the supreme God of... Yes, Team Quantum?
Of the heaven above and the earth below.
Absolutely correct. Good job, Team Quantum. So now we move to our third question. What favor did Rahab ask from the spies of Israelites? Yes, Team Quantum?
It says that to help her father, her mother, and brothers and sisters.
Absolutely correct. Good job. She asked to spare her family. And now the last question, okay? This you have to complete the statement. I will be with you. I will not. Team Pepper?
I will not abandon you.
Correct. I will not fail you or abandon you. Good job, guys. And our score after this round is... Both Team Pepper and Team Quantum are at a tie, 2 each. I will ask you 4 questions and you have 5 seconds to answer each question. Alright, so you guys ready? Team Pepper? Okay, so your first question. What were the Israelite soldiers carrying while marching?
The Ark of Covenant.
Correct. Second question. Who was the leader of Israelites after Moses?
Joshua.
Correct. What was the name of the other girl whom Joy did not want to work with?
Becky.
Correct. And the last question. What did God tell Joshua to do in the beginning?
To help the Israelites.
Correct. To lead the Israelites. Good job, guys. You got all 4 answers correct. Team Quantum, you guys ready?
Yes.
Yes, Team Quantum. Your first question. How many times and for how many days did the Israelite soldiers march around the wall of Jericho?
7.
Correct. Next question. What is the Ark of Covenant made of?
Gold. Yes.
Correct. The third question. What was the sign Rahab had to put for her family's protection?
The scarlet rope.
What was the color of the rope?
Red.
Yes, correct. The last question. What does the Ark of the Covenant contain?
10 Commandments.
Very good. You guys also answered all 4 questions correctly. And our final scores are... Congratulations, Team Pepper. You have won the Superbook quiz. The winning team receives a gift hamper with a participation certificate, a giant adventure comic, a Superbook cap, and a mug. Congratulations, guys. But Team Quantum, don't worry. You'll receive a participation certificate, a comic book, and a Superbook cap. You guys did so well. Congratulations. Why don't you give yourselves a little clap? If you or your church or your school would like to participate in the Superbook quiz next time, send us a message in our inbox or comment in the box below. We would love to hear from you. And don't forget to like and share this video and this page. Until next time, bye-bye everyone. Bye.